Alright, now in this video what I'd like to do is I'd like to show you how to install some different plugins. And basically what a plugin for WordPress is. A plugin is another piece of software that gets added to WordPress that helps it perform another task or helps it perform tasks better. So if we just go to Google right now, okay, and if we do a search for best WordPress plugins, you'll see that there's really millions of results out there. And what I found right here is this little website here where it's offering the top 10 WordPress plugins for 2012. I looked around and this is a pretty recent post by the Search Engine Journal, which is a pretty big website, and they've offered up their top 10 WordPress plugins. Now, I'm not going to bore you, and I'm not going to say that you need all of these by any means, but what I am going to do is I am going to recommend that you get the top couple of WordPress plugins, okay? And you can see this one here. The first one that they list is WordPress SEO. And if we just go over to our dashboard, okay, you can see over here on the left-hand side that there's a section called plugins. And we can go ahead and click on plugins. And it has these plugins that came standard. Like I said, I really don't use these. I'm not so sure why you need it, especially the Hello Dolly. I don't use that. But if we click on up here where it says Add New, okay, you're going to be brought to a place where you can go ahead and search for different plugins. It'll give you a list of popular plugins, and you can see that this WordPress SEO that we had just found over here is listed as one of these popular plugins. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to click on install now, and it's going to just go ahead, give you an extra warning and ask you, are you sure you want to install this plugin? Go ahead, click OK, and it's going to go through, it's going to unpack everything, it's going to install the plugin, and then before you can start using the plugin, you are going to have to go in and click on the activate plugin. Okay, and what that's done is we've just gone ahead and installed WordPress SEO by Yoast. Okay, and they're going to ask us, do we want to allow tracking, do not tracking? I generally don't allow tracking. I mean, that's certainly something that you can change if you want to. It's not super important. In fact, we're getting a little error here. But generally, sometimes that happens. All I did was backed out of it, and everything appears to be running fine now. But I also do want to, this is a great plugin right here, this W3 Total Cache. And what that does is that allows WordPress to just work a little bit faster. So if we go ahead and post that in the box, you'll see that when we search, it comes up and you can see it's rated very well. So I'm going to go ahead and install. Yes, I do want it installed. It's going to install, unpack the package. We're going to just once again go ahead and click on activate plugin. Okay, the plugin is activated. So you can see we have a couple of new plugins that have been activated, and those plugins have also, they show right up on our main dashboard page. You can see we have the performance plugin, okay, which is the W3 that we just set up. And this plugin is going to have all kinds of different directions and stuff. These videos don't go into the scope of showing you how to set up that plugin, but you can see there's all kinds of instructions here. Once you get your site set up, that's when you can go ahead and fiddle around with your performance plugin. For now, you really don't have to worry about it. It just is a good idea to get that set up, okay? And then also, same with the SEO. You're going to have this SEO dashboard right here. And they'll take you right through. Once you get your site set up and once you've gone through all these videos, you'll then want to come back to this SEO Yoast WordPress plugin and just go ahead, take a tour. You can read up on all the different instructions that they have. They have lots of different instructions, lots of help. There's support forum out there. There really is a lot of different help out there. But I just wanted to show you how to go ahead and install plugins, and I will see you in the next video.